Hey guys, it's Zumba, and today it's another live stream. Today we're going to be playing Rocket League. That's how it says. I'm really excited to play. This is actually my first time playing it on PS4. So if you guys want to play it, it's if you have a PS4, it should be free on it. So if you can just click this Alright, I think I'm... Wait, let's just play this round and then we'll see. I don't know, we'll see. Hockey and this. Yes, you have to try and score the ball. You're on the right side. We're practicing. Pretty sure in the real game we'll be on the same team. So you have to score in the other goal. Not to score in this goal. That's me. It was just replaying it, so you see that. That's an own goal. Oh wait, actually I think you might have scored. What? What are you doing? Stop pressing that. Can you stop? Yes. No, that was you. Wait, actually I think we're on the same team. Yeah, we're on the same team. Because we're using the same colors and we're spawning from the same side. I think that's enough practice. Oh, we can also do like basketball. Let's just stick to soccer. Let's do 2v2. Bots. Beginner. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, that's a cool map. Hopefully you joined. You pick which team you want to be on.
Maybe on your team.
Yeah, I'm on orange, so go down. Yep, that. It's... Drift, yeah. To boost the circle. How'd you hit the ball? I was straight gonna score. Yes, you can, because you're going fast enough. Stay goalie. Where's the ball? I'm trying to block the ball. I'm trying to take it to score. Where is it? We're not very good at this game. There it is. Ah, keep going. We're just staying goalie. Yes, we're going. Yes, I found it. Where's your shield? Why did I get the credit for it then? Maybe because I was the one that trusted it. Don't hit it, I'll hit it, I'll hit it. Where is it? I never see it. I told you to stay going. Yo, I told you to stay goalie. Why'd you move? Move. Can you please stay goalie? stay in goalie. That's how teamwork works. These guys, the only time they scored a goal was when there was nobody at the goal. That's because you were at the goal. And they're probably gonna win. Okay, you hit the ball straight. Loose, loose, loose. Oh, no, I was trying to make you hit so that I could. Oh, this is much easier. Press triangle. Press triangle. It makes it much easier to find the ball. Yes, come on. So close. Yes. It's your fault. Yeah.
Stop. I'll shout to the I think. Stop.
Okay, let's just play one more match. And then we'll play some Minecraft. I have an orange also. No, it's orange. But my color is red. I'm not orange too, but my color is red. I'll show you later. Can you please stay golden? Stay golden, jeez. Oh, so close. If they score, this is your fault. Also, guys, I might play Among Us tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, I missed it. Yes. Yay. Good job, David. Wow, he actually hit it straight on. Alright, let me hit it. So close. Stay and go, stay and go. I made them score. Okay, you hit it, hit it. Go, 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 go. Hit it, you have the chance. Okay, let me hit it, let me hit it. I'm hitting it straight on. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, dude, that's you. Oh no. Oh, no. No way. Some yes. Oh, see at the last minute. They're gonna win again. Good job, David. That was a good job. Oh, I destroyed this guy. You know you can do that. Come on, come on. Ah, I dropped it. You can destroy somebody's car. If you're going fast enough, and then you crash into them. So close. Focus. Why'd I even download that slime show? Okay, it is, but we're not winning. You know what, guys? That's the end of this live stream. I will see you guys later. Bye.